So the mass of earth given is 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg. The distance between the earth and the sun is given as 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 meters. The force between the sun and the earth is 3.5 into 10 raised to 22 kg newtons. And you know that gravitational constant is 6.7 into 10 raised to minus 11 newton meter square per kg square. And you are supposed to find out the mass of the sun. So this is what is the unknown thing. So let us use the formula F is equal to gmm upon r square. What is g? Capital M is mass of sun and small m is mass of earth. Right? So we are replacing capital M by ms and small m by me and upon r square. And now let us do. First step, always write the formula. Then second step, it is always substitution. No calculation should be there, only substitution. So always कितना भी बड़ा कैलकुलेशन हो दो, इसका हाफ मार्क और इसका हाफ मार्क्स तो मिलना ही है. मैकेनिकली यू डू इट, यू विल बी एबल टू गेट इट. सो लेट अस मेक द substitution part. So we have 3.5 into 10 raised to 22 is equal to g का वैल्यू क्या है 6.7 into 10 raised to minus 11. Mass of sun we don't know, that is what is the unknown thing. Mass of earth I have put 6 into 10 raised to 24 and the distance between the two is 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 and whole raised to square because it is r square. Okay, so substitution part is clear to everyone. Now we will go towards the solving part. So children, what I did is in a first step ये ms है ना, ये ms उसको ज़रा साइड पे लिख दिया. ओके, और ये सब नंबर्स को साथ में कर दिया. मोर ओवर दिस 1.5 इंटू 10 raised to 11 का स्क्वायर है ना, तो लेट मी राइट 2 times. what do you mean by square? 2 times. So what I did here, I have written 2 times this and ms यहाँ पे. तो what is remaining? ये 6.7 और ये 6. See, this is 6.7 and this is 6 और सब 10 के पावर साथ में. So 10 raised to minus 11. So this is 10 raised to minus 11. This is 10 raised to 24. So that I have written together. Correct? And here I have done the separation. So I hope all the things are clear. In the second step, just the adjustment of the substitution part. Now here at both the places, let me use the laws of indices. So numerator it will be minus 10 raised to minus 11 plus 24. Denominator also 10 raised to 11 plus 11. ठीक है, तो अभी नीचे क्या हो जाएगा 22 11 प्लस 11 22. हाँ, और ऊपर माइनस 11 प्लस 24 बन जाएगा 13. सो ऊपर 13 है, नीचे 22 है. सो कैन आई राइट 13 माइनस 22 10 का पावर. So that is what I will be doing in the next step. So it will be 6.7 into 6 into 10 raised to 24 and that will become now 13 minus 12. And children, here I am removing now the decimal point. 6.7 is written as 67 upon 10. ठीक है, 6 है वो ऐसे ही लिखूँगी. राइट, अब यहाँ पे डाउन डिनोमिनेटर यू हैव 1.5 ना, डिनोमिनेटर 1.1 है तो 1.5 कैसे आएगा 1.5 अपॉन 10. अभी अपॉन के अपॉन में मतलब इट इज़ इन द न्यूमरेटर. So I will write in the numerator 10 and denominator 15 for this. Similarly here also, as 1.5 is the denominator, it will be 10 upon 15. Correct? So we will have finally 67 upon 10 into 6 into 10 raised to 15 into 10 raised to 15 into 10 raised to 13 minus 22, which is minus 9. So this 10 raised to minus 9 तो आ गया आराम से. अभी यहाँ पे पॉसिबल कैंसिलेशन करते हैं. So we have 6 divided by 3 2 and 15 divided by 3 5. Now as I got 5 here, 5 ones are 5 twos are. This 10 and this 10 got cancelled. ठीक है, तो न्यूमरेटर में क्या बचा अभी? We have this 67, we have this 2 and we have this 2. So 67 into 2 into 2 और अपॉन में एक 15 का तो चला गया सब, यहाँ पे एक 15 रह गया है. So 15 into 10 raised to 19. And here also children 3.5 can be written as 35 upon 10 into 10 raised to 22. Now what I'll do, I'll keep this ms on the right hand side और ये सबको मैं लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे लेके आऊँगी. So let's do that. So we have here, see this part is same, ये 15 denominator था, that will come in the numerator, and this all the things, that is 67 into 2 into 2 into 10 raised to minus 9 will come in the denominator, and that is equal to ms. Correct? So I think this part is clear. Now we'll do the simplification. ये 10 raised to 22 है ना, चलो यहाँ पे लिख देती हूँ. ये 10 raised to minus 9 है, ऊपर आएगा तो क्या बन जाएगा? प्लस 9. राइट, अभी यहाँ पे ये 10 है, 10 raised to 1 ना, सो ऊपर जाएगा तो minus 1. So I hope the indices part of the 10 is clear to everyone. हाँ, now coming to the numerator part, अभी क्या क्या बचा? 35 into 15 और अपॉन में ये 10 तो चला गया है, 67 into 2 into 2. Correct? So now we did it, and here 22 plus 9 is 31 minus 1 30. और यहाँ पे अभी cancellation is not possible because 67 number is there. So let me multiply. 35 into 15 is 525 and 67 into 2 into 2 is 268. Now children, let this 10 raised to 30 be as it is. What you are supposed to do? 525 divide by 268. You have to do up to 3 places of decimal and round it up to 2 places of decimal. So when you will do it, you will get the answer 1.96. So you will get an answer 1.96, and of course this 10 raised to 30 is there already. So the answer of the mass of sun is 1.96 into 10 raised to 30 kg. Now the fourth question is, let the period of revolution of a planet at a distance r, capital R, from the star be t. So period given is capital T and the distance is capital R. Prove that if it was at distance of 2r, मतलब अगर distance double कर दिया तो from the star the period of revolution will be square root of 8 times t. That is what you are supposed to prove it. So for that, children, we should know the formula for the time period. So what is that time formula for the time period? From the Kepler's law, you just observe. Let us do that. So first of all, we'll assume that m, capital M, be the mass of the sun, and capital T be the period of revolution of a planet around the sun. Correct? And now, as you know that G is a gravitational constant and R is the radius of the orbit, and that is the equal to the distance of ऑर्बिट का रेडियस कितना होगा? सी हाउ इट इज. Here we have sun. Okay, here we have a planet. Any planet which is revolving. So this distance is nothing but the radius of this orbit. Right? So radius of the distance of planet from the sun, and that is given as capital R. And let t equal to the T1. So now T1 is 2 pi square root of gm upon r raised to 3 upon 2. Correct? So now what is the new time period? Now we are going to take it as, we are going to take the new time period is T2, and the new radius, that is the distance between the earth and the sun, is 2r. So now our r will become 2r and our t will become T2. So let us substitute that and see. So what will be T2? T2 is equal to 2 pi. ये तो सेम ही रहेगा जैसे पहले था. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ gm, मास भी कुछ चेंज नहीं होना. What is going to change is this part, r raised to 3 upon 2. Now what is r here? R here is 2r na. So 2r raised to 3 upon 2. Correct? So this is what is changing. So just open this part only. So what you will have, it is 2 into 3 raised to 3 upon 2 into r raised to 3 upon 2, right? It is like a b raised to m. That is what a raised to m into b raised to m. So I did 2 raised to 3 upon 2 and r raised to 3 upon 2. Huh? So is it this part clear? So now children, what is 2 raised to 3 upon 2? 2 raised to 3. उसका मतलब क्या? 8. 2 2 ज़ा 4, 2 ज़ा 8. रेज अपॉन 2. अपॉन 2 मतलब स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ इट. रेज टू पावर हाफ मतलब स्क्वायर रूट ना. सो 2 का क्यूब करने का और फिर स्क्वायर रूट लेने का. सो दैट विल कम्स आउट टू बी रूट 8. करेक्ट? Now what is the other part we have here? This part what we are having except this root 8 part is this part, and that is nothing but T1. See what was T1, we have already written it, so it is coming as same. So I can write down T2 as T1 into root 8. So that means T2 is equal to T1 into root 8 or root 8 into T. So what will be the changes? The changes will be, it will have root 8 times the period of revolution of the whatever the things were there in the first case.